Hey, car owners, ever wondered if faulty wipers could cause an MOT failure? Let's dive in. First up, the operational assessment. During an MOT test, your windscreen, wipers and washers are rigorously checked. If your wipers can't clear dirt effectively, that's an instant fail, so make sure they're in top shape. Next, let's talk physical condition. Wiper blades need to be pristine, no tears, no damage, and don't forget the washer jets. Blocked jets can also lead to a fail. Regular cleaning and lubrication can go a long way. Now for visibility and safety, windscreen damage like chips and cracks is closely inspected. Any damage over 10 mm in the driver's line of vision or 40 mm elsewhere, you guessed it, fail. So what exactly are the MOT tests? They're mandatory for vehicles over 3 years old in the UK. Conducted at authorized centres, these tests cover brakes, lights, mirrors, and yes, windscreen wipers. Let's zoom in on inspection criteria for wipers. Significant scratches or damage obstructing your view? That's a fail. Wipers must effectively clear the windscreen of dirt. If not, it's a fail. And don't skimp on washer fluid. Running out means another fail. To avoid these pitfalls, routine maintenance is key. Clean your wipers and windscreen regularly. Check for streaks or skipping, signs of wear. Replace your wiper blades every 6-12 months or at the first sign of deterioration. Lastly, do pre-MOT checks. Walk around your vehicle and inspect those wipers. Ask your MOT tester for tips on avoiding common failures. By following these tips, you'll not only pass your MOT, but also drive safely. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more car tips.